And what we have here is a finished product. Let's see if we can stand back, get most of it in. I'll probably end up in the water trying to do so. That was a tough 3 days. Did the white one day, and then I did the sides on the 4th of July. I think I almost got heat stroke. I had quite a headache when I got home. The shine, I love this. So does the owner. That's so cool. All the stainless, all the paint. There's a good look at the white. Yeah, this is quite a boat. It's Kiara Yachts. He got it out of Washington State, and the fuel to get it down here to Santa Cruz was over $15,000. It's got 2 giant caterpillars. Not the insect, you know. There you go. It's a good look. Shine down to the water line. Oh, here's a good example. Look at this. Yeah. Just finished this one. I did all the railing on it, all the stainless. Polished it. Polished it with a special process that brings the mirror finish back. I don't know if you can see it. This boat sets sails for Catalina next week. Pretty cool. Nice day down here. Until next time.